In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Economic Calendar with Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone's Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, look to the right-hand side of the screen. There, you will find the Calendar tab. Click on Calendar to open the Economic Calendar panel. After the panel opens, you will see a list of upcoming economic events. This section helps you keep track of market-moving announcements throughout the day. Take a moment to browse the events that are listed. As you review them, pay attention to the basic details shown for each one. This usually includes the date, the time, the country, and the name of the event. Next, look at the impact level for each event. The impact level gives you an idea of how significant that event may be for the market. Higher impact events often lead to stronger price movement, so this information can help you decide when to be more cautious and when to expect possible volatility. As data is released, you will also be able to compare the actual, consensus, and previous values. The actual value shows the result that was just announced. The consensus value shows what the market expected. The previous value shows the last reported result for that event. Comparing these figures can help you better understand how the release may affect the markets you are watching. If you want more information about a specific announcement, click on the event. In many cases, this will open additional details. This can give you more context before making a trading decision. You can also use the event schedule to plan your trading activity before or after major economic announcements. This is especially useful if you want to avoid trading during volatile moments or if you prefer to prepare for periods of higher market activity. Throughout the trading day, continue monitoring the calendar for newly released events and updates. Economic conditions can change quickly, and keeping an eye on the calendar helps you stay informed. Before you finish, make sure you can clearly view the upcoming economic events that are most relevant to the markets you trade. This confirms that you are using the calendar effectively as part of your routine. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.